I just flip the pages, but the objects near to me are not clear. Am I having nearsightedness or farsightedness? While the objects that are far from me, yeah, I can see it. It's somewhat clear. Am I suffering from myopia or hypermetropia? So today, let's learn the names of eye disorders or refractive errors. I mean, the types of vision problems that are common among all. So the first is myopia. It's also called as nearsightedness. Near sight, the word itself says you have the sight of the near, which means you can see the objects that are near to you. But far away or distant objects appear to be blurred, very dim. You're not much comfortable with the far away objects. They appear to be very dim and unclear. That's myopia or nearsightedness. Next is hyperopia, also called as hypermetropia, also called as farsightedness. The word farsightedness itself says that you have the sight of the far, which means nearby objects look blurred, they are very dim. But objects that are located far away, they are as clear as crystal for you. Far away objects are very clear. Nearby objects are blurred and dim and unclear. It's hyperopia. Get it corrected. Go. Third is slightly complicated. It's astigmatism. The vision is blurred at all the distances. It's blurred vision at the near object also and at the far away distance also. Okay, everywhere it seems to be hazy, cloudy and foggy. You're not able to see anywhere. That's astigmatism. The next one is, it's not as complicated as it sounds. It's presbyopia. Presbyopia is the same as hyperopia. It means you're holding this book at arm's length, means near to you. Hey, I'm not able to read it. Let me hold it a bit farther away. When you hold it a little far away, yes, now the letters are visible. Yes, clear. Got it? This is presbyopia. You cannot see the letters that are very close or near to you. When you hold it a little further away from you, it's clear to you. So that's presbyopia. Then how is it different from hyperopia? Presbyopia happens to elderly people who have crossed 50 to 60 years of age. It's the gradual loss of the ability of vision to elderly people. I hope you got it. Next is cataract, also common among senior people. That's nothing but a white cloud over the lens of your eyes. Okay, cloudy part on the eyes is cataract. Next is a contagious disease, that is conjunctivitis. That's also a common eye disorder. I don't know why conjunctivitis is called as a pink eye when the eye actually becomes red. When the eye becomes red and gets swollen, it's kind of contagious also. It's conjunctivitis. Next is floaters. Eye floaters is nothing but a jelly-like or gel-like small dots or lines or marks in your eyes. It's floaters. To sum up, we have strabismus. That's also not a very serious, complicated disorder. Strabismus is also called as the crossed eye, which means the eyes are not lined up in one direction. One eye will be in one direction, the other eye would be in a different direction. That is strabismus. I hope you enjoyed today's session.